Hi, I'm James. I'm a colorectal surgeon in Dunedin. I'm also working for the OCA, and I'm just going to show you how to open up your Excel report. So find it on the desktop and open up the Excel file. It will take a little while to load because it's quite large. So the first thing you'll see then is this dashboard here and a couple of notices. The security warning saying external data connections have been disabled. And this red one saying enable content. So in order for your data to load, you actually need to click the enable content. So you click that now, and Excel will get to work crunching the numbers. You can see down in the bottom right hand corner here the progress and what it's doing. And it'll probably take maybe 30 seconds to a minute to load. And what it's doing is actually taking all the raw data which is in these sheets down here, putting it through a Power Query, and structuring the data so that then the tables relate to each other, and then pops out the proper metrics that you'll be able to look at. So one other thing to tell you is that this is only compatible for PC, Excel, and usually we recommend about version 2016 or more than that, because less than that it might not work. So now that you've seen it's all loaded, then you can start to look at your figures on the dashboard, which I'll talk you through in the next video. Okay, thanks.